Are you looking to sell your house fast and pay zero fees? Maybe you want to avoid costly repairs required to sell for top dollar. Maybe you want to save thousands of dollars in fees or realtor commissions. Or maybe you just want to be done and are looking for an easy button. Let us be your easy button. What are some things you can do today to sell your house fast? Number 1, rent out your home, screen tenants, pay out of pocket for repairs, and hopefully sell the house later. Stressful. Number 2, pay a realtor, hire a contractor, and list your property on the open market for top dollar. Expensive. Number 3, do it yourself. Hire a contractor for repairs and do all of the walkthroughs yourself. Exhausting. Number 4, hit the easy button and sell your house as is to a cash home buyer. Now, if you choose to go with another cash home buyer, you should be careful. Most We Buy Houses companies will back out at the last minute and ask for a price reduction. Other people will offer you cash, but they are not really the ones buying the house. Some companies just want to tie your property under contract so you cannot sell to anyone else. What will we do for you? We pay all the closing costs and fees. We offer cash, which means there are no delays or reasons for us to back out. We do all the repairs so that you can sell your house as is. You don't even need to clean the house. And best of all, you get to choose your own closing date. What are you waiting for? Get your free, no obligation, fair, all cash offer by simply filling out the form above or below this video. Or give us a call today.